What is up, guys? Welcome back to Swish Life Garage. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, so why not do a video on the Prelude update? So last you guys saw, I did fix the Prelude and made it my daily, did quite a bit of work onto it, but I did stop driving it because it just uses up a lot of oil right now, and that is due to the valve seals. Now the motor does have good compression on the pistons, on all four pistons, but it definitely smokes while driving and while idling, just a little bit. Right here got a small camera and then got a screen here. Going to be able to stick this down on into the engine. Right there, took out the spark plug. Camera looking at the valves, top of the valves there. I don't know if you could tell on camera there, but it is real oily. Oil coming right there, you can see a drip. Oil coming from the valve seals. It's all wet up there. So that's the reason why the car is smoking on startup, and also it's smoking when it's running, so it's leaking enough. So it uses a lot of oil, and also it uses up some brake fluid. Just the ABS unit is just leaking. We're driving, you can see brake fluid just pouring out of the reservoir. Loses quite a bit of brake fluid, have to pour up or at least check it every 3 days or so, driving every day. But this one will be completely soaked, also dripping to the ground when parked, and really it's just a whole mess. And since it has been leaking, there's a whole bunch of rust down there and stuff, so I think more than likely I'm gonna have to get this deleted. Of course, I'll be making a video on that as well when I get around to it. Those are the two main reasons why I stopped driving the Prelude. It still needs some work done onto it until I could fully trust it. I did put a lot of work into it, and it's at a new point in its life, and it's able to be started up, moved, not have an issue turning off, anything like that. Lights are nice and bright, all LEDs, interior, exterior. Interior is very nice. So just driving the Prelude just for, I think it might have been a month, 2 months. I did put about 3,000 miles on it. Still low miles. It's at about 86,000 miles right now, I believe. Definitely want to keep it low miles. I drive quite a bit every day, and so they start to rack up. And definitely gives you a nice feel, especially going from the Civic to the Prelude. It's just a real upgrade, and the interior is just a whole different thing. It doesn't even feel like a Honda. One thing I did not record is putting in a new cigarette lighter in here, part number 39600 SW3505. There is the old one in there, and the new one came with the socket along with the actual cigarette lighter, brand new. So it does work now. I did try to fix the old one, but I think it has something to do with the inner coil that it has at the very end of there not being connected into the actual unit itself. So if you guys don't have a working socket, this may be the way to go. Since this Prelude is sitting, I have been driving the Civic. I'm going to give you guys an update on the Civic, probably up next. And now, honestly, the biggest pro of driving the Civic is the gas mileage. I be all over the city. I go from Houston to San Antonio and back with like less than 20 bucks right now. So it's amazing driving that car, just really filling up my pockets. The Prelude's cool, you know, it has its unique feel, everything, but it's more of a weekend car. Uses up quite a bit of gas compared to a Civic. But I just wanted to give you guys this update so you guys know what's going on with the Prelude. It's sitting as of now. You are going to see more work videos on this. Got to remove that head more than likely. And then also probably going to be deleting the ABS unit in here. So make sure you guys are subscribed and like the videos. Now I did have to get a new Instagram. Instagram took down my old Swish Life page. Now you can follow me at Swish Life LLC. And so go ahead, run the numbers up on there. I got to start off fresh, which kind of sucks, honestly. I just built up the followers from over the years. So go ahead, follow the new page. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel as well. I'm going to catch you on the next video, man.